I'm in it to win it though, cause you niggas know. Hit them up, bro. And watch what happens, I'm coming for show, and I'm gonna blow on that motherfucking bro. Let the beat drop, cause you niggas know fuck with me, and I'm Molly Wop, and I see your bitch I fuck, and you niggas know what's up. Hit me up, nigga, I'ma have to fucking knuckle buck. Hit me up, nigga, I'ma have to fucking fuck you up. Nigga, hit me up and guaranteed I'm gonna eat you up, my nigga G, because you know when I'ma hit the scene, and I'ma hold on my ball sack like I'm just a king. And understand, my nigga, I'm the man, and I don't never talking nonsense. I got a pass, and I'ma fucking blow that loud pack. Hash is what the fuck I'm blowing at, cause you niggas know I'm them, and you know what's up. I'm coming through this shit and holding them, and I hit them up, and I'ma do this shit and get it out. I don't wanna stop because you know what the fuck I'm about. I will hit you up, and I have to fucking blow but a loud pack. I got, cause I'm up about that. Motherfucker, what you buy? Nigga, fuck with me, because you niggas know I'm on, and I'm just a G, and nigga, I will never.